Today we're going to be learning more about AutoCAD. AutoCAD is our two-dimensional software. This is what the opening page looks like. And we can open files. In the T drive, we will have full files for you for this specific assignment. When you click on the file, you open up something like this. It might not have a title block, but you'll be seeing something that we've prepared for you. If I have a drawing like this, there are a couple things that you need to notice. Number one, there's a grid in the background. This grid can be used to help you draw out things. So currently this grid is set to 1/4 inch grid, and the major grid is 1 inch. So if I were to draw this square on the major grid lines, that would be 1 inch by 1 inch. The smaller grids that are in light gray are 1/4 inch. We can use our mouse to select things. You can see that each line will have 3 blue squares. The end blue square can adjust the end of the line. The middle blue square can move the line. When you have a line or circle selected, you can hit the delete button, not the backspace, but the delete button, and that will erase whatever you've drawn. The line command can be used to draw lines, and you can use a couple of different techniques. You can use the grid, but you can also use what are called polar coordinates. And so you can see that in blue on the screen, it shows the distance of that line. I can, at this point, type in a distance. If I hit tab, it will switch from the distance to an angle. And you can see how I can move this around and it will change the angle. So let's say I want a 3-inch line at a 45-degree angle. I can hit 45 and then I can hit tab again and it'll switch between the two. If I hit enter, it will finish the line and start the next line. When you're drawing, the mouse will snap to the grid. If you'd like the mouse to not snap to the grid, down here we have this little section of the screen. This will turn on and off the grid view. This will turn on and off the snap to the grid. So right now I'm drawing, but it's not snapping. If I turn this blue again, you can see that it snaps to the grid. I typically will leave the grid on even if I'm not choosing to use the snap.